how to use promo code on AliExpress. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can use coupon codes or promo codes on AliExpress. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you would like to use codes on AliExpress, all you have to do is simply open the AliExpress application here. Then just select the product that you want to buy and then just click the buy now option that you can find over here. So let me just click on this buy now option. When you click on the buy now option, just select the details and just go to the continue page, and then you are on the checkout page. And it is under the checkout page where you'll find the summary tab. Under summary, you can see this option called promo code. All you have to do is just tap on it and then just make sure to enter the promo code that you have or the coupon code. Then just tap the apply option here. Depending upon the value of the promo code, your coupon code or promo code will be successfully applied to purchase this product that you can find over here. So this way you can use your coupon code or promo code on AliExpress. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.